the focus of this particular class, advanced welding technology, is to train students with projects in the Ware Lab so that they can use various kinds of welding and cutting equipment and do various hot work processes.
I'm currently on the Baja SAE Ware Lab team and getting my weld certification for the Ware Lab to help with the team.
We start with the basics. We spend the whole time doing demonstration and application. The technical instruction happens online. That means that we can come in here and focus on actually doing demonstration and welding. It gives them more time to do more iterations and get a little closer to perfecting those skills before they leave here. Well, I'm still here to help them and coach them.
You could definitely learn this reading a book, but you wouldn't have the practice or the skill set. It took me, this is now my third week attempting these two particular welds, and I just managed to finally get them this time around.
But I didn't do that.
You could kind of see how much fun these students were having in here. They've spent the week working on E-theory and statics and a bunch of stuff that's really heavy in the cognitive domain. And they get to come in here and do a psychomotor skill. I think what the student walks away from as engineers is they have a much better understanding of how things are fabricated using these techniques. And that lends some insight into designing not only the product, but the process. If I teach one skill in here that's valuable, it's that ability to evaluate a weld and know what went wrong.